We get the codename for the Samsung Galaxy S10 along with its key feature. Apple is trying to get rid of the dongle, and our hopes for the headphone jack are disappearing. And set your calendars for something new from HTC as we finally get a teaser. I'm Jaime Rivera, and my experience with the LG G7 ThinQ has been actually more positive than I thought. Stay tuned for coverage. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Nokia. I'm not the first one to be completely shocked with what HMD has been able to do with the brand, and their products are selling like hotcakes. They are announcing that they are launching the Nokia 6 in the United States, a Snapdragon 630, 16 megapixel camera, 3000 milliamp hour battery. Sure, it's not a great spec phone, but it's $270, and their build quality is amazing. There's more information in the description. Now, for those of you that have been waiting for the RED Hydrongen One smartphone, me included, the company hasn't really launched the phone yet because it's still working on a couple of things. Bear in mind, we hear that it's going to launch somewhere around August or later, mainly because the company wants to figure out all the sensors that it needs to be able to provide this holographic experience. And if you ask me what I feel that the company wants to do something so bold and so unique that I'm willing to wait it out. Now, all of us set our calendars for May 23rd as HTC has just teased that there will be an event for a new product to be announced. They're not being specific as to what product we're getting. We're assuming it's the HTC U12 Plus. Thing about it is the company says that this product is bigger than the sum of its specs. And that means a lot. There are products like that, like for example the Google Pixel 2 XL, which doesn't have the latest specifications and yet makes a ton of the latest phones look bad. So we can't wait to see what we get, as HTC is one of those primary partners that allows the first Pixel to exist, and the Pixel 2 as well. Now, and some interesting news that I don't know if I should worry about or not, we hear that the supplier for dongles for iPhones is apparently not getting any orders from Apple. It seems that the company doesn't want to give you the option to connect your 3.5mm audio to the phone. That is extremely polarizing. Either Apple is sitting on a ton of dongles and they just want to get rid of them, or it could be that we're getting the headphone jack back because Apple finally learned that people actually care about this. Or worse, the company wants to make it a Bluetooth-only product, which I feel would be a huge mistake. A huge mistake. But hey, let's see what we get. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10. We have a code name. Believe it or not, it is going to be dubbed Project Beyond. And we're already scratching our heads. Exactly what does Samsung mean with Beyond? What could this product bring that will not be an iteration to the current design that we've seen pretty much ever since the Galaxy S6? I'm not complaining about the design or what the product brings or anything. We're just very curious. So in today's question, let us know, what do you think exactly Samsung is bringing here that's beyond what we know? The rumors mostly point to the on-display fingerprint scanner. Apparently they're not figuring Face ID just yet. Leave us a comment down below. I feel that it has to be more than that. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the LG G7 ThinQ and our hands-on down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.